In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this space travel scene. Let's create a plane, and an icosphere. We only need one subdivision, G and Y, to move on the Y axis. Let's switch the render engine to Eevee, and turn on bloom. Let's use the emission shader for the sphere. Time to add a particle emitter on the plane. Please match my settings. We need to increase the number of particles, set the particle object as the sphere, and change the velocity. We need to add some randomness. Type S to resize the plane. I'll turn off the grid and other things to arrange a clear background. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.